Welcome to Part 7 of the LS-NTAP series on web accessibility. Let's talk about navigability. Navigability means that visitors to your site can find what they're looking for with relative ease. Basically, this centers on clarity of titles and predictability of design. Breadcrumb trails and sidebar navigation menus both accomplish about the same thing. They tell the visitor where they are within the hierarchy of your site. This is helpful to any visitor, not just the disabled, and should definitely be a part of your site if it's not already. Similarly, the different pages and sections of your site should have a common design theme. The same navigation options should appear on each page, and any icons you use should have a consistent meaning throughout the site. The goal is to make your site predictable so that users can learn it and know where to go for the information they need, even without having visited that part of the site before. You're not necessarily going for the fewest clicks possible, just the fewest errors possible. Make the site as intuitive as possible. Remember that most visitors to your site will not be thinking in legal terms, they will be thinking in terms of a specific problem. With visitors' thought patterns in mind, make section and page headings descriptive. This may mean longer titles, but a long and clear title is much preferable to a short and vague one. The same goes for links. Click here means basically nothing, but click to apply for services is very helpful to someone with a screen reader who is seeing the page out of context. Think about people with slow internet connections or on smartphones. Clicking the wrong link because its text is unclear is time-consuming and frustrating. Additionally, don't rely on icons unless their meaning is very clearly established within your site. Even then, it's best to include words. Icons mean different things to different people and in different cultures. For example, the meaning of a home icon might be clear to most technologically savvy Westerners, but not so much to a non-Westerner who's uncomfortable with technology to begin with. Finally, if any sections of your site have blocks of ordered pages, be sure that they are kept in order and that the block can be skipped or escaped from. That's it on navigability. If you've made it this far, you've finished the content pieces of this series. Stay tuned for the final video on tools to check your site's accessibility.
Bye for now.